Hello YouTube, MS Religion here, and I'm back again in another video. So, in this video I'm going to be reading about injury concerns. So let's get straight into this. So, in Van Gaal's press conference he said there are no injury concerns for the Reds. Manchester United manager Louis Van Gaal says he has no injury concerns ahead of the trip to Aston Villa on Friday night, but both Phil Jones and Marcus Rojo will miss the visit to Villa Park. Jones is still suffering from mild thrombosis, while Rojo is not quite match fit after returning late to training following exertions in the Copa America over the summer. So obviously Marcus Rojo played an integral part in Argentina's squad that reached the finals of the Copa America. Unfortunately they lost to Chile. Rojo lost, but obviously he needs to get more match fitness, match rhythm and training as well. So that's why. But he also suggested that Sergio Romero will keep his place in our goal. And personally I think that's good, because if De Gea is going to go, we need match rhythm for Sergio Romero, especially in the Premier League. To adapt is very hard, and therefore Van Gaal is doing a good job by putting Sergio Romero in goal. And I think Van Gaal knows exactly what he's doing, and hopefully Sergio Romero turns into a good goalkeeper for us. I mean, he's already a good goalkeeper, but hopefully he gets that Premier League gist of it, and it becomes a good goalkeeper. And if he does make some very good saves, I don't see why he can't be a successor to David De Gea. So Van Gaal said it's still the same, no injuries. There's only illness for Phil Jones. It's very sad of course, but we'll have to wait and see how that shall recover. Rojo needs more time because he was the last one who came in. He is training double sessions sometimes. He is doing well, but he needs more. So I think he just needs one more week, and I think Smalling and Rojo will partner the defence, and I think that's really good defence, to be honest. And I think Rojo was very consistent last season. He just didn't have a good, he was a bit injured sometimes, but hopefully this season Smalling and Rojo injury free, and they're going to get a good consistent run of games, and that'll be a very good defence partnership. When asked whether he expected the goalkeeping situation to remain the same for the Villa trip following David De Gea's absence for the opening day, Van Gaal said, "There's no difference, the transfer period is still open and David De Gea, has still the same problem." So he's obviously his focus is not there. His situation with Real Madrid is still going on, and I don't see why Real Madrid didn't just pay £35 million or however much we want and get him. If they really want to get him, just pay up. Don't take so long. Seriously, because it's annoying for us and it's annoying for the fans as well, as in it's annoying for the Van Gaal as well. But yeah, so anyway, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please go check my other videos out. I've done other videos on what Van Gaal said in his press conference, so please go check them out. Please like them, please like this, and subscribe for more. See you later.